Hi, everyone, and welcome to week 8. If you can believe it, we're at the halfway point of the semester. I did want to take a moment just to say that I'm really impressed by all the work that you've been doing so far and how much I've enjoyed getting to know you, granted in this digital format. I especially enjoyed reading your responses to the Ursula Le Guin short story. It's one of my favorites, and I'm happy that so many of you enjoyed it as well. So this week, I wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of what you'll be doing. So you'll go through our PowerPoint, and then let's take a look at the assignment sheet together. So this week, you need to pick an advertisement. And rather than picking a commercial, which just has too many moving pieces for only being able to write 400 words about it, so I'd like you to pick a print ad, and then you're going to analyze it. So I've broken this down into, I think, pretty kind of easy to understand paragraph pieces. So in the first paragraph, you just need to tell me what the advertisement looks like. What colors does it use? What font does it use? How do you see tension? How is it laid out? So if I look at this ad, right? The layout, craft, and the writing is very small, right? The biggest piece, this kind of broken mousetrap. So this advertisement's fairly simple, lots of white, the mousetrap jumps out to me. But the lines draw my eyes right to our only kind of splash of color, craft, with extra calcium for strong bones. So implying that the mouse got away because now it's so strong. In your second paragraph, explain the goal of the advertisement. What's it trying to do, right? What's the accomplished goal here? Is it trying to convince you of something, persuade you, sell you something, inform you of something? And then explain how you came to this conclusion. So if I look at this, I would say this is trying to sell me, but it's specifically trying to sell me Kraft cheese as a health product, right? That there are real health benefits because there's extra calcium in it, that I'm going to be so strong because of it. In your third and final paragraph, decide if you think the advertisement is successful or not. Describe your reaction to the advertisement. So I would say this is eye-catching, which makes it semi-successful. I don't know that I love a product that I'm supposed to eat also being eaten by mice. That's maybe not so successful for me personally. I think it's aesthetically pleasing though. It caught my eye. I might think about it again. So overall, I would call it fairly successful. Your essay will be at least 400 words. Please remember to include either the ad itself, you can just drag it and drop it right into your document, or a web link so I can go take a look at it. Otherwise, formatting, fairly straightforward, Times New Roman, 12-point double-spaced font. Remember to include a title and the header. The header is just your name, composition 1, and the due date. And then this is due on our normal due date, Sunday, October 20th by 11:59 p.m. Let's take a quick look at the rubric here. So I made this, I think, again, pretty kind of cut and dry. Each paragraph is worth a maximum of 25 points. Be sure to carefully read through to see how those points are deducted. 20 points for the word count, so that's just kind of to help you, give you a little bit of a cushion. And then the last 25 points are for grammar, formatting, and typos. Be sure that you're very carefully proofreading your papers. Often the difference between an A paper and a B paper is taking that extra 20 minutes to do some very careful proofreading, editing, and revising. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I'm more than happy to help you. The easiest way to reach me is via my email, catherine.ferraro@iavalley.edu, or you're always welcome to call my office phone as well. I hope you're having a good week, good mid-semester, and that you stay warm. I will speak with you soon. Bye.